So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. First thing first, I am really sorry because I have not been uploading the video since the last week because I am still suffering from the enteric fever infection and taking a lot of antibiotics and IV fluids. So I am really sorry for not uploading the videos in the last week. But wait. You guys will be compensated with that sort of proven strategies in this video, which you guys can definitely use and achieve your required band in IELTS. Did you know 3 million people take the IELTS exam every year and only 15% of them are able to achieve the band 7 or higher? Today, I am giving you full IELTS course condensed into 10 minutes. No fluff, just proven strategies, facts, and unique tips which you wouldn't hear anywhere else. So let's dive into it. First section of this video is on IELTS listening module. The secret of success in this module is not just practice, it's also anticipating the answers. IELTS recording always leave 30 seconds before each section. Use these 30 seconds to underline the keywords in questions. For example, if audio says the workshop is on dash, you need to focus on dates, days, or unique topics. The pro tip in this module is that Australian and British accent contributes about 70% of this whole recording. So you guys need to watch BBC News or Australian MasterChef in order to familiarize your ears with the audio accent. So the section 2 of this video is about reading module of IELTS. The reading section of the IELTS module is our time crunch. First skim, then scan. It's very important. First skim, then scan. The fact about this module is that the true false not given question tricks about 80% of the test takers. So the hack to crack this true false not given question is that if the statement says true, then you can only write true if it matches exactly with the paragraph, and where you can write false if it directly contraindicates with the paragraph, and when you can write not clear when the information is missing or not available at all in the passage. In this scenario, you guys don't need to go with your personal opinion about that passage. Okay, you don't need to go with your opinion. You need to match the information, true, false, or not given, just I have mentioned earlier in the video. Section 3 of this video is about IELTS writing. In IELTS writing task 1, the key to achieve the required band, it's not about creativity, it's about the clarity. You guys need to spend 20 minutes here out of the 60 minutes designated for the IELTS writing task 1 and 2. You guys need to spend 20 minutes on IELTS writing task 1, and here you can use this. To get the most out of the writing task 1, you guys need to give 2 sentences for the overview of the chart, pie chart, or anything of the data which is available, and then you guys need to give the details. Examiners match the cohesions. For example, you can use the words similarly and in contrast to the ideas. These words are used to link the ideas and your clarity about the topic or the data which is available in IELTS writing task 1 for you to compare or write about it. And in IELTS writing task 2, if your topic is about climate change, you guys need to avoid the generic answers. Instead, you guys can say the rising sea levels can affect up to 40% of the coastal cities. You guys can use the specific stats to stand out your answer in comparison with the other candidate. Pro tip in this section is that you guys don't need to cram 1000 words. You guys just need topic specific vocabulary. For example, in a topic like climate change, you guys can go for carbon footprint, deforestation. Use these kind of terms which matches exactly with your topic. I have made a dedicated video on how you guys can use the topic specific vocabulary in the video. I will share the link in the description as well. You guys can go and watch the video as well. The section 4 of this video is about IELTS speaking. So my dear students, IELTS speaking is just about the confidence, not about the perfection. If you guys want to achieve the higher band in IELTS speaking, you guys can use the R methods, A-R-E, AIR method. A for answer the question, R for you need to give the reason why, and E for example, which you can use from your personal life as well. The myth buster in IELTS speaking is that you don't need a native accent. Yes, I repeat, you guys don't need a native accent at all. In my previous videos, I have given you guys the 5 of the major categories and the elements on which our examiner judge you in IELTS speaking. And 2 of them which are very important is fluency and pronunciation, not the accent. And how you can do a perfect job in this scenario, you guys can watch the TED Talks and record yourself and mimic the TED Talks answers. Wait, I'm not saying that you guys need to cram those answers. I'm just saying you guys need to familiarize yourself with that sort of band 9 answers which are available on the internet. So why not to use them? And now you have it, the ultimate 10-minute complete IELTS crash course. If this video is helpful for you guys, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do like this video, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who are prepping for the IELTS. So see you in the next video, and you guys can comment me with the topics or the queries you have in the comment box. So I'll try to make these videos on your queries as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care, love is, bye bye.